In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Asana with HubSpot, step by step. This integration is perfect if you want to connect your sales and marketing activities inside HubSpot with your project management workflows in Asana. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to sync tasks, automate task creation, and link your deals and contacts directly to Asana projects. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our future software tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, go to the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. From there, click on the Marketplace option, sometimes labeled as the App Marketplace or Breeze Marketplace depending on your HubSpot version. This is where HubSpot allows you to connect third-party tools and extend its functionality. Once you're inside the Marketplace, head over to the search bar. In the search field, type Asana and press Enter. You'll see the Asana integration appear in the results. Click on the Asana integration listing to open its details page. Here you'll be able to see an overview of what the integration does, including syncing tasks and connecting records between the two platforms. Next, click the Install App button. HubSpot will begin the installation process and may prompt you to confirm that you want to connect Asana to your account. Go ahead and continue. At this point, you'll be redirected to Asana so you can authorize the connection. Now you'll need to log in using your Asana account credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the correct Asana account that contains the workspaces, teams, or projects you want connected to HubSpot. After logging in, Asana will ask you to choose what you want to authorize. You can select specific workspaces, specific teams, or even individual projects depending on how you want the integration structured. This is useful if you don't want HubSpot accessing everything in your Asana account. Once you've selected the appropriate access level, click Allow. This grants permission for HubSpot and Asana to communicate with each other securely. After you click Allow, you'll automatically be redirected back to HubSpot. Now it's time to configure the integration settings. Back inside HubSpot, you'll be prompted to choose how you want the integration to function. You can enable task syncing from HubSpot to Asana, which means when you create a task in HubSpot, it will automatically appear in Asana. You can also choose to create Asana tasks directly from HubSpot workflows. This is especially powerful if you want to automate project creation when a deal reaches a certain stage in your sales pipeline. Another option is linking Asana tasks to HubSpot records. This allows you to associate tasks with contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. For example, when you close a deal in HubSpot, you can automatically generate onboarding tasks in Asana and link them to that specific deal record. This keeps your sales and operations teams aligned and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Take a moment to review the available settings and select the options that match your workflow. Once you've configured everything the way you want, click Save. HubSpot will finalize the integration and your Asana and HubSpot accounts will now be connected. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Asana with HubSpot. Now you can automate task management, streamline communication between teams, and keep your CRM and project management tools perfectly in sync. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.